Okay, as you know that government has for the past couple of years been very keen to eventually bring about more climate environmentally friendly products into our economy, into our country. And as you know that we started off by imposing a small levy on the single-use plastic bags, but we've given a 2-year lead. So from the 1st of January of next year, 2020, all single-use plastic bags will be banned. And of course, in its place, we're already seeing a lot more products being made available in a reusable plastic bag, not reusable plastic bags, but reusable bags. But also we have the other bags, the reusable plastic bags that's available where you still pay the levy. And that's more than a single use. Now, as you saw from the Star Printery outfit here today, that they're also making bags made from paper, reinforced paper. You can of course have particular thickness in the paper. It's a wonderful machine that they have, wonderful thought process that they have, where you can actually have customized bags. As you saw, one of the branded bags was TFL. In fact, they can go further than that. They can, for example, put specific Christmas trees and what have you on those bags, custom-made bags. If you're having a birthday, maybe you can put your name on it and put, have your photograph. They can do all of that. And it's wonderful to see a company like Star Printery because they're already in the printing business. So they're just 2 shops away from here where they actually do the printing. And then over here in the factory over here, they actually put together the actual bags and various other products. So the bags obviously will be able to respond to the banning of the single-use plastic bags from 1st of January 2020. As you also know that we announced in the budget that we'll be also banning the use of styrofoam and plastic straws and other styrofoam products like styrofoam plates and styrofoam cups. If we had known that Star Printery was going to bring in the substitute for this much earlier on, we could have put the ban in much sooner. Because as you can see, they're already making products here. You have a paper made which is, has a particular covering, which means that the food does not stick on it, food does not leak from it. So you have cardboard boxes to carry your takeaways. They also have these cardboard boxes are paper-based. They also have paper-based plates, cups, and also paper-based straws. So all of this available in the market. And it's also very good to see that they are branding everything as Fijian-made, which again, helps us to be proud of the fact that it is a Fijian product. It's made in Fiji. Fijians are being employed in this, and of course, it's to brand Fiji. But we hope also that with this particular technology that's now available through Star Printery, we can also look into the export market. All of this requires a mind shift. A lot of people, for example, in Fiji may think that you can't have a takeaway, your curry chicken or your chow mein or chop suey in a sort of cardboard takeaway container. But, I'll have you know that France and USA, that's what they're already doing. And so obviously we can do the same too. And it will mean that we have less styrofoam around. As styrofoam takes thousands of years to actually biodegrade, if at all. So it means a cleaner environment. It means that we are showing a particular responsibility towards our environment, towards our future generations, that we're passing on our environment in a much cleaner state. So I'd like to congratulate Star Printery for this wonderful initiative that undertaken. But more so, I'd like to encourage through all of your media organizations to encourage all businesses that may have customers that use bags, that use cups, that use plates, that they actually have takeaway containers. Please stop using it now. Even though the ban comes to effect from the 1st of January 2021 for styrofoam, this is already available. Come to this outlet, place your orders here, and contribute towards creating a more pristine and cleaner environment for Fiji, and of course for our future generations.
Thank you very much.
Okay? Great, thank you.